Welcome back to AR Gossips. Real name Can Yemen. Date of birth November 8, 1989. Birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Nationality Turkish. Profession Actor, model, lawyer. Languages Turkish, Italian, English, German, and French. Height 6 feet. Family background and early life. Can Yemen was born in Istanbul, Turkey, as the only child of his parents. His parents divorced when he was just 5 years old. His parental grandfather emigrated from Kosovo, while his grandmother was from North Macedonia, giving him Albanian roots. Yemen showed academic excellence from an early age. He studied at Bilfen College for primary education and later attended the Italian High School in Istanbul, where he graduated as a top student. His talent for languages allowed him to become fluent in several languages. Education and career transition. In 2012, Can Yemen graduated from Yeditepe University with a law degree. Initially, he worked as a lawyer in a corporate firm. However, he soon realized his true passion lays in acting. He took acting classes and started his journey in the Turkish entertainment industry. Acting career. Early career 2014 to 2016. Can Yemen made his acting debut in 2014 with the Turkish TV series Gönül İşleri. He gained popularity with his roles in romantic comedy series like Indiana Aşk and Hangimiz Sevmedik. Rise to Fame 2017 to 2019. His breakthrough role came in Dulune, where he starred alongside Özge Gürel. In 2018 to 2019, he played the lead role of Can Devet in Arkansi Kos opposite Demet Özdemir. The show became a huge international success, winning him the Golden Butterfly Award for Best Actor in a Romantic Comedy. In 2019, he also won the Morex d'Or Award for Best Foreign Actor. Recent work 2020 to present. In 2020, Yemen starred in Bey Yilmaz and other romantic comedy series, but it ended after 14 episodes. In 2021, he moved to Italy to work on international projects. He played a guest role in the Italian series Kitio Chayuti. He starred as Francesco Demir in Vola Camilleri, an Italian drama series. He signed for the lead role in Sandokan, an Italian historical action series based on Emilio Salgari's novel. Personal life and popularity. Can Yemen is one of the most followed Turkish actors with millions of fans worldwide. He is known for his fitness, disciplined workout routines, and martial art training. He has been linked to several actresses including Demet Özdemir and Dilita Liota, but he has never confirmed any long-term relationship. Philanthropy and awards. Can Yemen is involved in charity work and has received multiple awards for his humanitarian efforts. He received the 7th GQ Man of the Year Award 2019. He launched his own perfume brand, Can Yemen Mania, in 2021. Can Yemen continues to be a major star in Turkey and Europe, gaining recognition for his talent, charisma, and international appeal. Subscribe for more amazing videos.